good morning, good afternoon. I don't know what to call it. We sleep in so late, you guys. I'm so sorry.
We had some fun at the casino last night. It was a good time.
Hanging out late.
Yeah, didn't get in until about 4, so we waking up around 1.
Hey, vacation, right?
Yep, we gonna head into Costa Maya, see what it's all about.
It's a beautiful day today, you guys. I love it. I love it. It feels good. It's the wind blowing.
Look at it, y'all.
Hey, I'm not complaining.
Beautiful.
I'm wearing my Cruising with Positive Vibes shirt.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna go check out what Costa Maya's got, see what's going on, maybe just do a quick little stroll, get some food up here at Big Chicken, cause that's my place.
Go to.
Yep. Been there about every single, well yeah, we've been there every single day.
Yes, we have.
I've been enjoying it.
Yes, we have.
Let's go see what the day got for us, guys.
And let's keep it positive.
Oh yeah, keep them positive vibes rolling.
Oh yeah.
What up, y'all? We got us a little blue iguana. It's all good. It ain't no El Loco fresh, I'll say that. But it's alright. Let's just put it this way, I'm gonna go head back down to a Big Chicken in a second. But it's edible. It's alright. A little flavor. Big Chicken's better though. But I guess we can't just eat chicken for a whole week.
Oh yeah, you guys, look what I found. A little tiny ducky. Thanks to the Pimpins, I think I'm saying it right. I found it on the elevator, getting on. So I feel special and lucky. And it's so cute because it's so little.
I like the little duckies. I think that's a good idea. Because little duckies kind of like make it so it's you ain't gotta carry as much when you come on the ship, but you're still doing the ducky thing.
So I thought that was pretty neat because I didn't even think I was my mind wasn't even thinking about the ducks, and I got on the elevator and there it was.
There we go, found our first ducky. First time in Costa Maya.
All right. Y'all, I've never been here. I'm excited. It is freaking hot. As you can see, a girl like me is perspiring. But I'm ready to see this beautiful place.
It ain't as bad as Haiti, though. Woo. It's hot, but Haiti was ridiculous. Shop. Shoppity shops. Nice music. I think we're coming late enough in the day, y'all, that we ain't getting harassed by a bunch of people. You want to look in the drugstore? Do you need anything in there?
They got them color shine shirts. Oh, look at the hat. Oh, that one is so cute. You guys, we are at Costa Maya. We did a sweep around. It's a lot of shopping, food, all kind of cool things to buy. I guess souvenirs you would call them. And then we standing out here in front of the dolphins and watching them, and it's amazing. I love it, watching it. I think I could do it, but I'll be old long, but I could do it. But it's a beautiful day here in Costa Maya. I love it. About the dolphins, I've never been that close and that to see them like this, and it's kind of amazing. Oh, he did like this. Oh, look at the backside. Look at the backside. I want to hear one thing. Whatever they say. Love for me. flamingos. He even got a flamingo shirt on again today.
Yeah, I do love me some flamingos. Look at them, y'all. What y'all doing?
How y'all doing?
Look how it's hitting with their knees. Peace out, Costa Maya. Beautiful place, but not my favorite. Not my favorite. I don't think it's Tanya's favorite either, but don't get me wrong. I do feel blessed and I am thankful to be able to go to places like this, but it just ain't necessarily, this ain't the one for me.
Come on, people.
We're gonna take it a little easy tonight. A little something from the buffet, some fried chicken, some salad, a little bit of potatoes. I'm kind of done with eating for the day, so I just got me a bowl of cookies.
His specialty.
We're doing a little stroll around 8 o'clock. Really wanted the sunset tonight. It was kind of weird. I guess there's a lot of haze out there in the sky, so we didn't really get the sunset we were looking for. We're trying to find some sort of enjoyment tonight. We'll see where that brings us. It's a beautiful ship. That's all I can say.
I love it. It's better than the casino. So, I think he liked the X Factor game. The speed and currency, how fast you can go. So, if you hit it in the middle, you can get it. I don't know the score that you was going 50 miles then. Your last hit was 50 miles. 54. That was it.
Taking the stairs.
Taking the stairs, because I'm over the elevator. I'm tired of getting elbowed. I'm tired of getting crammed up. I'm just sick over it.
Sleep pretty time. And I will sing a lullaby. Sing a lullaby. cute rabbit. It's just a little rabbit. Ah!